Today, we're in Queens at the Northern Boulevard M and R train station for another elevator opening. This station has 2 side platforms and an elevator leading to each one, directly from street level. Last Friday, the elevator to the Uptown Forest Hills bound platform opened. However, the elevator leading to the downtown platform is still under construction. This elevator is scheduled to be completed later this spring, making this station fully ADA accessible.
Street guided.
The elevator to the Uptown side is located on the southeast corner of Broadway and 54th Street. The soon-to-be-opened elevator to the downtown side is located on the northeastern corner of Broadway and 56th Street. 2 stations uptown from here, you have the Jackson Heights station, which is ADA accessible, and 2 stations downtown from here, you have the Steinway Street station, which is currently undergoing elevator construction, meaning from Queens Plaza to Jackson Heights, you'll never be more than 2 stations away from an elevator.